This is a deliciously comforting meal that proves that you can absolutely enjoy pasta on the Slimming World plan and still lose weight beautifully. Cook 500 grams of sliced mixed mushrooms for 5 to 6 minutes until they're golden, soft and full of flavour. You'll probably need to do this in a couple of batches. Stir through 2 or 3 crushed garlic cloves and cook for another minute or so until fragrant. Add cooked, drained spaghetti to the pan along with 100 grams of plain light soft cheese. Gently mix everything together until the cheese reduces into a silky, creamy sauce. Finish with finely chopped chives, season to taste, and divide between 4 bowls. It's super simple, really tasty, and ready in around 20 minutes. A perfect reminder that filling, satisfying pasta dishes can fit beautifully into your weight loss journey with Slimming World.